Hey guys, welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. If you have a Craftsman screwdriver set, over time the handles get all dusky and cloudy and they just look terrible and they don't feel that good. You can restore them to looking absolutely brand new. Check it out. This is how we're going to do this. If you find this helpful, please click like, consider subscribing. Let's take care of it. This is a jet buffer. I have it charged up. And we're going to buff it. Got some thunder going on outside. Look at already how nice and clean and improved that is. Let's continue on. Let's do the whole handle here. We're going to turn this thing looking brand new. Doesn't take long, takes a few minutes. And boy, does it restore this, looking so nice. And even the end is all nasty here. Perfectly smooth, and we'll get that little groove. I have it at 900 RPM, seems to be enough. Wow, that is a perfectly restored screwdriver handle. So, thanks for watching. Check this out. Absolutely brand new, pristine, beautiful. Feels good, nice and smooth. All that nasty oxidation is gone. So, if this was helpful, all you need is a buffer. I ran it about 900 RPM with and I charged it with an abrasive, a mild abrasive. Worked really great. Consider subscribing. If this was helpful, click like. Thank you.